So you want to start an online business, but you don't know where to start because there seems to be a lot of information out there and also a lot of experts teaching you different strategies. Some will tell you about starting a physical product business. Some will talk to you about starting a publishing, books, Amazon books publishing business. There's Shopify, there's drop shipping. On this channel, I give you information on starting an information products business and a service-based business, which is the most lucrative in a sense because it costs less, it's easy to start, it starts with the skills and expertise, and this is what I'll be providing to you in this channel. Hi, my name is Nurul and I'm a business coach, and on this channel I provide business strategies and tools to help you start and grow your online business. So, as I said before, information products and service-based businesses are the most easiest to start because it's based on your skills, expertise, and passion to help people. You're in the information business, so that means you're helping people with the knowledge, you're helping them gain something, either lose weight or gain confidence or start an online business like I'm doing, and that's what we will be talking about in this channel. And here are the few steps that you need to take to get started on this journey. Number one is to discover your own expertise. So that means you need to find a problem which is combined to what you can do as a skill set, right? So either you have it in your work-life experience that you have gained, or something you're very passionate about and you can talk about it a lot, or it could be also something that you want to do and you can learn and help others do it, right? All you need to do is, you have to understand, all you need to do is you have to be one step ahead of the people who you want to teach. Secondly, you need to know, can you really do this, right? Can you provide results? So that's solving a problem. There's problem, right? There are loads of different problems on this planet. So you just have to pick one and get started with it. Once you have the skill set matched to the problem that you want to solve, you want to build a unique framework for yourself, right? The teachings you can do, you can train. You have to be, it's a very competitive market, right? So the only way you can stand out is to have your own unique method. And once you have that, people will be attracted to you. Like, it's easy to say lose 20 pounds, but hey, you could say, I help you get in your tight jeans in 90 days or less. You see, it's a very different way of saying the same thing. So you need to understand what messaging you're providing to your ideal clients. Once you have that, you don't want to launch straight away because you don't know if there is really a demand for it. Are customers going to, are you going to get results for them? So you would want to do a test launch, which we call it minimum viable product, or we can also say a beta launch, sorry for the accent. I'm an Indian with the French with the English accent, so that seems a bit difficult to keep, Anyway, what I was saying, so you want to test the market. So you would do a little bit of survey, you would go on. Most ideally, you would do organic marketing, right? You reach out to people, ask questions, get them into a strategy call, and see if you can sell them your idea. So if there are buyers, then you work with these buyers for a certain period of time, trying to see if they can really give you, if you can get them results. So that is, and you would ask them feedback, like, is it working for you? What can I do better? So that means you're working with them, you're testing the product yourself, and you're also, in a sense, what I want to say is understanding that it's getting results for them. So this, when you're doing a beta launch, your price would be, you could do it for free just to test it, or you could do a very low price, say 90% off. It will get people attracted to you and you could get them results. So once that is done, you definitely want to get testimonials from them, feedback, testimonials, video if you can. This is going to help you in your marketing. So the feedback you got. Now you know what areas of the program that you have created, the unique framework you created, isn't working, and you need to tweak it. So once you've tweaked that, you are now confident that you can market this. So now you want to build an audience by providing free value. So you need to build a content plan and put out content every day or once a week, and build a email list also at the same time. You could also do a group, like a Facebook group, where you get the clients there. Once you have this built up, maybe do for a month or two, and then you launch it with the actual price. So this is how you would do. It's not a day or two work. This work could take you 30 days, 90 days. You're not doing a race, you're doing a marathon. You're going at your own pace. You're doing it slowly. You're testing the market. You're failing, you're tweaking, you're testing, and trying to get the thing done. So I hope this video helped you understand that you can start a business. It's not hard. It's cost effective. Starting an information business or service-based business is very easy and it's very cost effective. Don't forget to watch the video over here where I talk about is it worth starting an online business. So take a look at that video when you get a chance. I hope you liked this video so far. Please do subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below and let me know what you think, and also like and ring the bell so that you get notified of ring the bell. Do you ring the bell? I don't ring the bell. No, you don't ring the bell. You click the bell. Well, whatever. Anyway, I hope to see you again in my next video. So talk soon. Bye now.